Hi, welcome to Blindify. This video is for travel solving and motor setting. It's for vertical blinds. There are three common troubles when dimming and opening. We take the joinable track, for example, because it's more complicated than single track. We prepare the tools, the remote, and the screwdriver. First of all, let's reset the motor and pair it to the remote. And remember to keep the motor in setting schedule. To reset the motor, keep pressing the set button for about 10 seconds. You can see the blinds move twice. Press the set button, the blinds move, the factory reset is done. To pair a remote, you need to select the channel that you want to pair and press the set button. The blinds move once. Press P1, the code button. Blinds move once again. The remote pairing is done, but you'll find the closing direction is reversed. To solve this problem, let's change the direction of opening and closing. Keep pressing the P2, the set button, for about 5 seconds. The blinds move once. Keep pressing the pause button for 5 seconds. The blinds move once again. Let's check the direction changing if it's down. And the trouble 3 is that the blinds cannot be closed entirely. So we need to delete its limit. First, keep pressing the P2, the set button, for 5 seconds, and the blinds move once. Then press the P1, the code button. The blinds move once again. And now the blinds can be closed entirely. Vents must be vertical to the track. If not, the vents get stuck. To adjust them, we need to take apart the motor first. Turn off the power and loosen the screw. There's a little lock besides, so we need to push it outwards and separate the motor. Gear A is used to control the opening and the closing of the blinds. Gear B is used to control the rotation of the vents. So we need to rotate the gear B to let two sides of the vents vertical to the track. It could be possible that two sides of vents misaligned. So in situation 2, we need to take apart the track. You can see the vents are vertical to the track on the left side, while the right side is not vertical. To take it apart, we need to loosen the screws and slide in the connector to separate these two parts. I need to adjust the right side vents, so I need to take the hexagonal bar from the left side and insert it to the right side. Now rotate the bar until the vents hooks are vertical to the track. To reassemble the track, you need to move the first hook to the left end of the track. It's very important that there are two screws need to be tightened, and this little slider should be locked well. To tighten the belt, move the first hook on both sides to the center. Then assemble the track in the model. Make sure this step is done properly. Then we can set limit of dimming. To set limit of dimming, first of all, press the close button. And keep pressing the P2, the set button. The blinds move once and the motor starts ringing. Then keep pressing left dimming button until the blinds move again. Then just press the left dimming button. The blinds start to rotate, but then they get stuck and make noise. Don't worry about it, just let it go. They will stop automatically. When they get stopped, press the open button. You'll find the blinds turn back before opening. That means the dimming limit is set down. This step is to lock the channels that we don't use. Firstly, press the P2, the set button, and press the select button to choose max channels you need. Here I just have 2 channels, so I choose 2 to stop.